Him.
Hello friends, today I will be talking to you about Ramzan. Friends, we all know that this is a very major festival of the Muslims all over the world, and it is one full month of fasting that is done during this month. And all over the world, people normally sit and read the Quran. They keep roza, which is fasting. It is believed that this month is the month of Quran, which means also that Quran was revealed through Prophet Muhammad to all the people in the world during this month. The God Allah made sure that whatever message he had to send, he sent it through Prophet Muhammad, and it was recorded and made into the Holy Quran. We all know that Quran is available in all languages, although initially it was written in Arabic. Now what happens is that for a full month, that is at least 30 days, all Muslims have to keep a fast which is called Roza. It is a very tough kind of control that they have to do. They eat only before the sunrise, when there is no light. And after that, once there is sunrise, they don't even have a drop of water. They continue to do the fast, and during the whole day, they normally do a lot of worship, a lot of reading the Quran, a lot of charity, and of course the namaz, which they do in any case throughout the year. And only after the sun sets and it becomes dark will they be able to eat again. The morning ritual of having food is called sehri, and the one after the whole day is called iftar. And in iftar, because they had been fasting all day, they have a kind of a small celebration, a party type, and they have lots of food. Now the best thing about this is that they don't just have food on their own, they distribute a lot of good food to all the people who are poor and needy and who also must get this lovely good food. So it is a month which is full of love for God, reading of the Holy Quran. They are doing all good deeds, and they refrain themselves from any kind of negative or any kind of fault. They don't do any kind of wrong action. And they have a restriction not just about speaking. They don't read anything which is not related to their religion. They don't see films or television programs. They don't listen to people talking all gossip. They have full control over themselves. It is believed, friends, that if they do the roza during these 30 days, they get the benefit of doing roza for 70 times in the rest of the year. And similarly, when they do namaz, in this month, it is equivalent to doing 70 times of namaz during the rest of the year. So this is very beneficial, and it's very important for all of them to follow the tenets of the religion. A very important thing is that they have to give zakat. Zakat is the name given to charity. Now, every Muslim has to calculate 2.5% of the annual income in that year, and they have to donate it to the needy people. In the madarsas, in the orphanages, people go and they provide amenities, they provide new clothes, and they of course provide lots of food. And you will see that the whole month is celebrated in just giving and giving and giving, and asking God for mercy, asking God for forgiveness. They also believe that there will be a day of judgment, and on that day there will be a record of their actions, of their good deeds, and they will be answerable to whatever mistakes they have done in this life. So they want to avoid that. They want to ask Allah for forgiveness. It is a very, very auspicious time, friends. And after these 30 days, sometimes it is 31 days, the full community celebrates what is called Eid. On the day of Eid, they make sweets, they call people, they wear new clothes, They give small gifts to the younger people of the house, and it's a day when people go to relatives, they enjoy together. After the whole month of fasting, they can eat after that, and this is also a very important aspect of Ramzan. So friends, there are so many things that can be said about so many festivals. I'm trying just to tell you a little bit in case it can bring some information to those who are not knowing much about it. Thank you. We will have more talks later.